So we're here getting some water in the RV. We got some really cool elk right here next to us while we're filling up with water and dumping our tanks. I mean, you can see he's absolutely beautiful. So you can see he's pretty intimidating looking. He's just walking off. They're not bothering us. We're just he's probably interested in the water we're getting here for the RV, but no, they're pretty amazing. So I love being up here. Can't wait to see more of this on our trip. Hey everybody, Matt here. I just wanted to remind you to subscribe to the channel, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and turn on notifications so you can keep track of what it is we're doing out here on the road. I'll see everybody around the next campfire. Now, back to the video. So this is what it's like if you guys are ever out on the road and you're boondocking and you need to dump your tanks and fill with water. These are the type of stations you're going to be running across. For the water thing here, what I like to do is I have a piece of hose that I cut off and I attach it to their water spigot here, and I just put a little wrench there on the knob so I can just let it go. I got two 45-gallon tanks I got to fill up, so I don't have time to be standing here holding that the whole time. But you definitely want to make sure you're getting some potable drinking water in those tanks, because you don't want something going through your whole system that's not good for drinking. So, and then we're gonna come over here and we'll do the dumping. You got to look for one of these flaps for your gray water and your black water. So this is what a dump station looks like. We're lucky that the one here at the Grand Canyon is free, and we don't have to mess around with it. So yeah, this is our setup. Pretty cool stuff. Thought I'd make this a little video just explaining a little bit about this process and the trip. So if you find this interesting, let me know down in the comments, and I'll make some more of these, our day-to-day type trips stuff, so you guys can see what it's really like to be out here on the road in one of these. So I'm Matt, American Campfire Creations, signing out. Don't forget to give the video a like, subscribe, turn on notifications, check out some of my other videos, and yeah, I'll see you guys at the next campfire.